Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Ethan Mitchell, and if you're thinking about getting a drone for Christmas, here's my top 5 for 2018. Christmas is just over a week away, and there's a lot of drones on the market right now. Many range in price from under $100 to $1,500 and up. With so many drones on the market, it can be very difficult to choose the one that may be best for you. So today we're going to talk camera drones. I have 5 drones that range in price from $100 to $1,500, and although this is not a detailed review, they all feature GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, return to home, and have automated flight modes. Okay, let's get into the list. Starting off at the low end, we have the Unique Breeze. The Breeze can be found as low as $150, which makes this a great starter drone. The Breeze is one of the least expensive options that can actually get decent footage. It has a 10-minute flight time and is small enough to fit into a small bag. The Breeze has a digitally stabilized camera that shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second and 720p at 60 frames per second. The Breeze can shoot 4K but is not stabilized. The Breeze has 16 gigabytes of internal memory and has a range of about 300 feet. Some things to consider is that it does not have a mechanical gimbal, so you really need to have a calm day and smooth control inputs to get good footage. This drone also uses Wi-Fi from your device, so the range is limited and dependent on line of sight. Up next is the DJI Spark. This is hands down one of the best drones under $400. The Spark is super stable and can fly for about 13 minutes. The Spark has a 2-axis gimbal that makes the footage very stable. The camera on the Spark shoots in 1080p at 30 frames per second and can be used with auto or manual exposure controls. Some things to consider is the Spark is a bit loud compared to the Breeze and can only shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Spark, like all DJI products, comes with NFC software as well. Okay, let's move on to the folding drones. Up next is the Parrot Anafi. The Anafi comes in at around $600 and is a fantastic drone. If you have been watching my channel, it is no secret that this is one of my favorite drones. The Anafi can shoot 4K and 2.7K at 24, 25, and 30 frames per second. It can also shoot 1080p at 60 frames per second and 720 at 120 frames per second. It can also film in HDR and has 4 different picture profiles including log. It has a 25-minute flight time and has several different flight modes. The camera is mounted on a 2-axis gimbal that can turn 90 degrees straight up. My favorite feature of this drone is that it's very quiet, probably the most quiet drone on the market right now. Some things to consider is that this drone does not have obstacle avoidance, nor does it have any NFC software. Okay, next on the list is the Alltel Evo. The Evo comes in at about $1,000 and can fly for about 22 minutes. The best feature on the Evo is the camera. This is the only drone in this price range that can do 4K at 60 frames per second, which looks absolutely amazing. The Evo can also shoot 2.7K, 1080p, and 720. The camera also has standard and log profiles, as well as quite a few Instagram type filters. The Evo is the only drone in the lineup that has a video feed built into the remote, so you do not have to use a phone to fly this drone. This is a great option for anyone that would like to have an alternative to DJI. And moving on to the last drone on the list, and that is the DJI Mavic 2. The Mavic 2 comes in 2 flavors, the Pro version at $1,500, which features a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor, and the Zoom at $1,200, which features a camera that has 2x optical zoom. The Mavic 2 is the most stable and responsive platform that I've flown in this lineup. It has a 30-minute flight time and is covered head to toe in sensors. Both of them sport DJI's OcuSync 2.0, which gives you a high quality video feed and a very long range up to 8 miles, which translates into a rock solid connection. The Mavic 2 Pro's 1-inch sensor gives great low light performance and 10-bit log and HLG picture profiles, which gives a lot of latitude when it comes to color grading. With the addition of a variable aperture, the Mavic 2 Pro really feels like a flying DSLR camera. The Mavic 2 is a great option for someone that wants a pro-level drone that is extremely portable. So there it is, guys, my top 5 drones for Christmas of 2018. Now there are many other drones on the market, and if there is one that you would like to mention, please comment below. Now 2 drones that will get honorable mention are the Mavic Pro Platinum and the Mavic Air. These are both great drones and are super fun to fly, but there are other options at similar price points that have more features. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next time.